vibration and riding video. Start with slow dark mechanical workshop sounds, metallic tools, deep bass pulses, and atmospheric tension. Gradually build energy with power drums, cinematic breathe, and rising sing as the other cycle gets cleaned and restored in the final rise.